to the Chugwater Chili Kitchen. Today we're going to make another recipe out of our Chugwater Chili cookbook, and it is our bacon candy recipe. For those of you who have the cookbook, it's on page 22. This is an awesome, easy recipe. You guys, we've got Valentine's Day and the Super Bowl coming up, so this would be a really fun thing to put on side of your trays of goodies and snacks that you have coming. To start with, we're going to use a cup of brown sugar. We're going to be combining this with the bourbon, and your flavor preference on bourbon works just great. Okay, there's our cup of brown sugar. We're going to add a half a cup of bourbon. Which, what is there not to like about that so far? Then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of our Chugwater Chili, our original mix, our seasoning blend. There we go. Going to combine these really well together. We've preheated the oven to 450 degrees so that we can bake our bacon in the oven rather than trying to fry it on the stovetop. Makes it so much nicer to clean up. We've gone ahead and pre-lined our baking pan with aluminum foil because, again, we don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen cleaning up. Give a quick spray. And this recipe calls for 12 ounces of bacon. We're just going to do a trayful today, whatever that works out to be. I think a nice thick cut bacon is really nice for this too, because it gives a nice crunch and the flavor lasts a little longer than a thinner bacon. But if you like thin, crispy bacon better, that's where you get to play. All right. If you have a basting brush, this is a great time to use that. I don't have one handy right now, so I'm just going to spoon it on. So here we go. Just make sure you get all of the bacon covered so that every bite has that delicious flavor in it. I don't think it really matters if you have a few little clumps of brown sugar or anything in there. It's all going to melt and be wonderful and delicious when it comes out of the oven. All right, we're going to put this in at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. At the end of our 15 minutes, we're going to pull it back out, we're going to turn the bacon over, and then we're going to baste the other side. All right, now in the magic of kitchen wizardry, of course, we have some already prepared for you. You can see how nice and crispy it is. It's got a little bit of tang to it with the bourbon in there and just a nice sweetness. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to check out that bacon candy recipe, page 22, in your Chugwater Chili cookbook.